This is the C13 to C14 Power Adapter. This power adapter is a device that converts the attributes of a C13 power cable to those of a C14 power cable. This can help you fully access all types of ports on your power equipment. This adapter is made from a hardened plastic casing and is rated for 15 amps and 250 volts. Be able to change any cable on the fly with this versatile power adapter. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.